Hi, my name is Nydia Nuristani of the Nuristani Group, and today I want to welcome you to tour my newest listing. Come on in, let's take a look. This modern one-bedroom, one-bath condo is perfect if you're a first-time buyer or an investor. Enjoy the maple cabinets topped by granite countertops. The open floor plan bridges your kitchen and your living room. You'll enjoy the oversized bedroom with the wall-to-wall closet. The spacious bathroom also features granite counters and a shower over tub with a granite enclosure. It even comes with indoor laundry and your own private patio. Enjoy the lush courtyard and picnic areas along with the community pool, spa, and clubhouse. The community also offers gated parking with your own personal parking stall. Again, thank you for coming to tour my listing. My name is Nydia Nuristani of the Nuristani Group. For more information, please reach out to me at 408-836-2457. And remember, if you're thinking real estate, think the Nuristani Group.